civil defense workers were there to make sure everyone was safe. The lava flows start out only a few feet high, but over 3 days this lava inflated until it overflowed 5-foot-high dirt walls. This sped-up video shows how lava flows inflate like a balloon. The outside crust moves up as lava continues to fill the inside of the flow. Some flows can get pushed up to higher than the top of a school bus. The lower flows stopped before they reached the village road or any homes in Kahor. But on November 10th, a new flow broke out near Apollo Road and moved toward an empty house. One branch of the flow moved along the road and into the driveway, and another flowed right up to the edge of the garage building, but stopped just a few feet away. Sadly, lava reached the house. All that is left is the metal roof on top of the lava, though the garage is still standing. Continued above Apollo and soon reached the transfer station. They first flowed around the dirt wall outside the fence and began to inflate. Then lava broke out, burned its way through the fence, and flowed down the walls. The metal fence burns with a bright yellow flame anywhere the lava touches it. Even the rain can't put it out. At the bottom, it began to burn too. Burning asphalt makes a nasty black smoke that is unhealthy to breathe. Other loads of lava pushed through the fence and poured down the steep wall. When the cooling outer skin of the lava slows down, it folds into the rope-like shapes you'll see in the rock. Section of the fence and continued to fill the lower part of the transfer station. Firemen sprayed the protected power poles, hoping to keep them from being burned down as the lava approached the road. The lava flow crept along the outside of the fence, getting closer and closer to the road. Just when it appeared that the transfer station would be destroyed, the lava flow stopped. Though the